So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Whenever I go somewhere and I have to take notes, I always miss something. I look down, take my note, look up. Oh, that was so good. And I just missed what they just said. So for our Educated Buyer Harmony for the Journey Ahead seminar scheduled for March 1st from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., I've done you a huge favor. I just got done personally typing up every section and stapling together pamphlets of notes so that you can carry them out of here and you're not responsible for taking them. That means you can completely immerse yourself in the experience. And I guarantee you 2 hours with me, you will not buy the wrong RV, whether from another dealer or a private party, whether you're a first-time buyer or repeat offender, whether you're buying today or in 5 years from today. Start now, start with us, make the right decision for you and your family. So come on out, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., March 1st. Make sure to RSVP 209-404-2200. Or just shoot me an email, Tony@referralautorgroup.com. That's Tony with a Y, because we have a Tony with an I here. And tell me your name and how many people are coming. I'll be sure to reserve a seat for you, and I'd be honored to have you as my guest. As always, thanks for watching. We'll look forward to meeting you. Take care.